Hi everyone. So in this video we will see how to install Homebrew. Before installing Homebrew, we need to check if the Xcode Command Line Tools is already installed or not. In my system it's already installed. To check in your system, we need to enter this code in terminal and check. I also given this command in description. Please check. Copy this command C, open terminal, paste, hit enter. Here I get a message like command line tools are already installed. So if it's not installed in your system, it will show you a pop-up and you need to hit install. Once you install, you need to open browser and type brew.sh. This is the official website. We have the documentation of how to install Homebrew. This is the command. We need to enter this in our terminal. By clicking this button, it will copy to the clipboard. Once it's copied, go to the terminal and paste that command, hit enter. It will ask for the profile password. Once you enter the password, it will show you the lists. These are the things it will going to install in your system. We need to hit enter again to continue. Once you enter, it starts to download. Okay, once it's downloaded, we need to add Homebrew to our path. For that, we need to run the command in terminal to add Homebrew in path. From here, just copy and paste, hit enter. Once it's done, open new tab, type brew space --version, hit enter. It will show the Homebrew version, so it's installed in our system successfully. If you like this video, subscribe, share, like. We'll see you in next video. Thank you. Bye.